The cold temperatures and heavy wind gusts have caused tree branches to fall down and power to go with them. Gulf Coast News reporter Nayla Grandpierre went all across the Gulf Coast tonight to hear from people dealing with the outages.
FPL crews have been working here on Wilson Boulevard and Jung Boulevard after strong winds knocked down tree branches and caused outages. Neighbors told me they've been without power for hours.
It's been about like 2-3 hours. Not too devastating, but still affects a day a bit.
This isn't the first time lights have gone out in this neighborhood. Mason Slacka says when they do lose power, it takes a while to come back on.
From past events, doesn't seem like it might come on next morning or at least later tonight.
The strong weather isn't just knocking out lights in Collier County. We've seen high winds across our Gulf Coast from Charlotte County to Cape Coral, where an outage on Embers and Burnt Store Road left hundreds in the dark. FPL tells us there's been over 140,000 outages in the state today. Slacka tells me by his home in Golden Gate Estates, it would help on the county's end when it comes to managing the tall trees that break off with wind.
Just with like where the past event, I'm guessing over is what happened on the street, right? Like the main street.
Yeah.
That's where like the fire was. So I'm guessing like maybe like a palm frond or something, like the tree hit the power line. I feel like just more care along the actual county road could be taken more care of.
You can count on Gulf Coast News to keep you updated as power comes back on. In Golden Gate Estates, Nayla Grandpierre, Gulf Coast News.